Today, I'm going to tell you the simple way to make a fabric mask without pattern. I will cut the first fabric with 23 cm, length 19 cm. The first cutting is over. This is the second fabric. I will cut it 20 cm and 15 cm. The last one is the fabric that touches the skin, so I use a cotton. The cut size is 14 cm and both are the same. Three fabric cuts are done. Now prepare the 9 cm nose wire for sewing. However, if it's difficult to buy, just pass. This is the rubber band for mask. You can see the example on the Amazon. The nose wire for sewing, rubber band, 3 different sizes of fabric, everything is ready. Before starting sewing work, mark the middle of all fabric. Do the same for all fabrics. Now place the first fabric, then put the second fabric on the first. Don't forget to align the marked center. And third one also the same. Fold twice and sew. I'm going to put the nose wire in the center of the marked place. Fold twice like this. Sew it as it is. Then get the nose wire. Put it in the center of the marked place and fold same as before. Fold the same side and then sew. The important thing is here is not to cover the third fabric. Do same. You can put a filter here. Prepare a safety pin. After tying the rubber band to the safety pin, fold in half and match the length. Cut the rubber band in half and tied it both sides. Now the mask is complete, so I will wear it.
자, 마스크가 완성이 됐어요. 제가 한번 써볼게. 마스크가 됐어요. 어떠세요? 예쁘죠? 다음에 또 다른 거 가지고 만나요. 안녕.